Owning a JDM car can be a lot of fun, but sometimes it comes with its own set of challenges, like finding parts for a 35-year-old vintage foreign vehicle. So I'm going to bring you guys along while I make some floor mats for my car. The first thing I did was hop on Fusion 360 to design a heel plate for the driver's side floor mat so my foot doesn't rub a hole through it. I printed it with TPU so it should be pretty durable and hold up to the high heat inside the vehicle. The next thing we need to do is make some stencils, and this pretty much just involves shoving cardboard down into your floorboard so you know the size that your floor mat needs to be. I just took a Sharpie and marked out a rough shape of where I needed to cut the cardboard. Next, go ahead and cut out the lines you marked. Yes, I'm aware I grabbed a straight razor when there's literally a safety blade within arm's reach. Next, I did a test fit just to see if I needed to make any minor adjustments. Now I'm going to trace out another stencil to kind of clean things up a little bit. This is one of those measure 3 times, cut 4 times type of projects. But the second stencil is your opportunity to kind of clean things up a bit, straighten your lines, round your corners, that kind of thing. And one final test fit should do it. At this point, I would recommend labeling your stencils. That's going to become important later. You don't want your carpet upside down and backwards. This stuff was kind of hard to find unless you know what you're looking for. It's called nibbed back rubber mat. I'll put a link to it in the description. Go ahead and trace out all your stencils with a Sharpie. It's not going to matter if you get any black marks on it because this is the side of the mat that's going to have adhesive on it. And if you notice, my back seat mats were mirror images of each other, so that's something you want to maybe look into to save time and material. When you get to this point, you're going to want to lay the carpet face down, just so everything comes out the way it's supposed to. I ended up using this spray-on adhesive to stick the rubber mats to the carpet. It works pretty good as long as you apply it liberally. It was right about here I made a small mistake. That little rubber pad I made in the beginning of the video, make sure you get that attached before you glue the driver's side mat. I'll point it out to you guys here in a few minutes. After I got the mats glued, I took a propane torch and just burned all the fuzzies away from the edge. Make sure you point the propane torch from the bottom so you don't scorch the carpet. The rubber will protect it a little bit.
It was at this moment he knew. He fucked up.
And through the magic of editing, we're just going to go ahead and pretend that never happened. But what I ended up doing was getting a whole new piece of carpet to redo the driver's side floor mat. Shh, don't tell my wife I took her sewing machine for a garage project. I was originally planning on putting a herringbone twill stuff around the edges, but that sewing machine just really isn't set up for something that thick. But all in all, I'm happy the way they turned out. I think if you really wanted to protect the edges, you could put some type of rubberized epoxy on it or something. Anyways, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you want to see more.